What's up, guys? We made the long trek over. Gonna have a little pit bike party here tonight. It just rained the other day, so track is looking awesome. Are you scared to hit the jump or what?
I mean,
I think you could jump the jump. It's not that big.
You should buckle your helmet.
Yeah, you might want to buckle your helmet for you. Your helmet should probably be buckled, you know?
Hey, can you give me a beer, brother?
You're styling
it felt like money. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like
that one was really good.
when I went to the corner, I was like, don't think it, just do it.
How you feeling about the jump? I think you got it.
I don't feel that good. That was like half your boot. That was like
I told you it wasn't that bad though. That was perfect. We got this little section we can ride at night because we got lights up there. There's Emma. Rollerblading outdoors. Emma, what are you doing?
I'm walking around the track with roller skates.
Emma, does that jump look good enough to jump?
No,
I think we'll be alright.
it needs to be higher.
Bigger? I think we'll be good. Are you gonna jump it?
No! Even if I wanted to, I don't got a bike to jump it.
Denver, who you beating up, dude?
God damn, boy. That's Denver Tyson. God damn.
This is the real fight tonight. Is he?
Yeah, can you take this tire off?
Off the wood, dude.
Fucking ramp right there.
There's a ramp right there.
That?
Yeah. What did you think was the ramp?
I want to see you hit it first.
Oh, it's easy. I'm telling you.
The ramp is melted.
Yeah, it's perfect, dude.
The ramp is going away.
It's ready to jump. I think we're ready to hit this thing. I don't know. It seems hot enough for me. Starting to get a little bit toasty.
Nah, is it?
Come on, bud. Come on.
Ben, how do you feel about the side-by-side? You love it? Denver, you love the side-by-sides? No? I don't know if I believe you.
Yeah, see, you got it.
Mark, are we getting ready to watch this fight or what?
No, we're watching women's.
It's women's fighting?
I'm down. Hey, equality. Let's see what happens. Katie Taylor. Doesn't sound like a fighter.
Go do a flip.
See it? I'll do it again. Ready? You want to see me do it again?
Yep.
I'll do it again. That's 2.
Do it right now.
Ready? Want to see me do it again?
I thought something happened to you back there. There's a lot of noise going
I'm trying
on.
to accelerate in the air. I don't like accelerating on the ground because I like going fast.
As long as it sounds cool.
He's going down there.
Alright, me
We're going to
too.
do dial down there.
So we got something pretty cool here. This is actually Travis Pastrana's Freestyle ramp. It's cut down from what it was, but it's pretty cool to be able to hit this jump. It's definitely been through some stuff, you can tell. Hey, it looks good from down here.